One of the most profitable ways to make money in the crypto space is by getting into solid, good projects early before people know about them, holding them long term, and seeing the prices appreciate. And one of the best ways to do this is by checking out a number of different launch pads, which allow you to buy different cryptocurrencies at cheaper prices before they launch to the general public, before they have their ICO. And we've talked about a number of these on the channel before. Back in like 7-8 months ago, I did a video of a launch pad called Tencent, how I use that all the time. I've talked about another launch pad called TruePNL, where I use that platform all the time. And today there's a new project that has partnered and is launching on Tencent. So you're able to get in early with Tencent. Right now, the project is called Alaska Gold Rush, and you could see on Tencent's platform that they have a number of major launches going on right now. And you could see with Alaska Gold Rush, symbol CARAT, price is 0.025 USDT is equal to 1 CARAT. But on Tencent's platform, it gives you all the information about Alaska Gold Rush. And for those of you who aren't familiar, Alaska Gold Rush has been around since late 2020. It's been developing for a few years. It's a AAA rated graphics game, and ultimately the way it works, the whole storyline behind it is that it is an FFP, first person perspective, Web 3.0 game that can be described as a combination of some of the biggest and best traditional games like Red Dead Redemption, Fortnite, and The Witcher. And it has a win-to-earn economy aspect in the game that allows you to make money in addition to just price appreciation of the token. In addition to this, its gameplay is in the late 1800s before the gold rush. And the way it works is you have to survive the harsh landscape. You have to go about collect gold and continue to mine. And your goal is to mine as much gold as possible, continuing to yield as much as possible, and that transfers into actual real money. So you're able to play with your friends, you're able to play with other people, and that is something that is really, really cool. In addition to this, one aspect that we need to talk about is that there's two tokens. So the token that you could buy and get in early on Tencent's platform is called Carat, CARAT, but they also have an in-game token, which is the symbol GOLD, GOLD. That is ultimately the game that is ultimately the token that you collect in the game to gear up for different missions and continuing to build out your characters in the game. So that is something that you definitely need to be aware of, and I'll link some more details about some of the tokenomics down below. They also have those all listed on Tencent's platform. When you're looking at Alaska Gold Rush, there's a few things that stand out. First of which, in my opinion, is going to be their roadmap, because they have been around for quite a while now. They've been around since late 2020, and they've been consistently posting on social media, consistently building a community, consistently building out this game and raising funds, while many projects have simply died off. So they've been able to survive all the turmoil over the last year, and they've been able to continue to grow and continue to expand despite what has been going on in the market. I think this has a lot to do with their partners and their team, which you can see right here is fully KYC'd. You can see all the information about all their different team members. They have a wide range of people among different industries, different locations around the world, which I think is very important. But more importantly are the partners they have. They've partnered with CryoWar, AdShares, Tencent, Baked Games, Crypto Society, SafeGram, Cryptopia, Iconic, and many more. So you can see that they have solid partners, solid team. They've been able to withstand all the turmoil, all the market conditions we've seen over the last year and a half. And that is something that, in my opinion, is truly, truly important for any blockchain-based game. Is not that they're just trying to build a project, raise money, but that they've been able to survive market conditions and continue to grow and continue to expand. When you're looking at Alaska Gold Rush, they have done a very successful job of actually going about building out social media platforms. You can see that they have built their Twitter to almost 60,000 followers. They've been able to grow Telegram to thousands as well, and they have a Telegram channel and a Telegram chat, which you could check out. But the last few things with this platform is that they now have their alpha demo live. You can see they just posted about this the other day on their Twitter, where they got pretty great engagement as well. 16,000 views on this. You simply have to click on demo. It brings you directly to the page. And this is something that, in my opinion, is a very interesting and engaging game that has great graphics that I think a lot of people will want to participate in, especially because you can make money, but also has a great gameplay aspect to it. So we've talked about the team, we've talked about partners, we've talked about the launch pad that it is going on Tencent, and some details of the token. But last thing I want to just quickly touch on is when you look on Tencent's platform, they have a few specific details for the game that we really need to go over. So in the game, it is building out an entire metaverse, and they have this metaverse mining and land aspect to it. The users in the game will be able to buy gold mines within the Alaskan metaverse that come with a lot of major benefits. So not only can you make money from token appreciation and by mining gold in the game, but also NFT owners in the game will receive rewards from other gamers who mine gold on their land. So it adds that third aspect, that third mechanism where you can make money. Token appreciation, going about actually mining gold in the game, and by owning NFTs where other players mine gold on your land. So those aspects really help to increase value long-term, increase utility, and increase engagement among the community. In addition to that, they explain how you'll also be able to receive a share from the Alaskan Gold Rush transaction fees as well, and players will be able to mine gold tokens, which is a great way to onboard new users to the crypto world, and something that helps to connect, traditional games, history with blockchain gaming. So ultimately, this is a project I think is definitely just worth checking out. You could see that there have been a lot of cool projects that have launched on Tencent that have done extremely well, from Satoshi Island to Fame MMA to many more projects. And this is a new and up and coming project that is launching their token. You can see the vesting schedule right at the bottom of the screen, where it says 10% on TGE, 90% over the next 365 days. But this is something that is definitely worth checking out. I know a lot of you guys already look at TruePNL, already look at Tencent for up and coming launches. But if you don't, make sure that you keep your eye out on these, because like I said, one of the best ways to make money in the crypto space is getting in early into projects before they have their ICO, like on these different launch pads. And so I primarily look at Tencent and I look at TruePNL. These are two different launch pads that I've been looking at. So check out Alaska Gold Rush. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like the gameplay? Do you like the graphics? What do you think about the team? I'm curious to see your thoughts.